This 2,200 square foot commercial building has been outfitted with comprehensive building automation and access controls. Starting at the main entrance, a UniFi intercom system allows access through PIN, smartphone or key fob. An occupancy indicator outside the main restroom turns red whenever the door is locked electronically from the inside. Strobes, horn strobes, pull stations, smoke and heat detectors and annunciator devices have been installed as required. Supplemental heat and temperature sensors throughout the building ensure balanced comfort year-round. Integrated audio and lighting are controlled automatically through presence sensors, wall controls and app control. Major corridors and multi-purpose rooms are equipped with NFC card readers and electric strikes. A security door divides two wings of the building. Both sides are equipped with NFC readers and fire alarm pull stations, which will also unlock the door in an emergency. Video from IP cameras throughout the building are accessible through the app, and some cameras are used to trigger theft deterrent devices through the building automation system. A UniFi backbone controls all cameras, Wi-Fi access points, and door locks. From within the building, two Loxone touch surfaces control every aspect of the building, including lighting levels, background music, climate, door locks, and security. Behind the scenes, the Loxone mini server is the backbone of the entire operation.